How to set up home page on Shopify. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this beginner friendly tutorial, I'll be showing you step by step how to customize and set up your home page on Shopify. To get started, once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and you're going to select online store. After selecting online store, you'll automatically land on the theme page. Once on the theme page, you're going to tap on customize beside the theme that you're using. After selecting customize, you're going to be redirected to the editor page, and more than likely you're going to land on the home page. If not, you're going to select the option at the top of the page right here, and you're going to select home page. Also, by tapping here, you can see all of the other pages or sections that are on your Shopify store. Now, to start editing your home page, you can tap from the announcement bar section right here. So you could tap on announcement bar. Then from the left hand menu option, you can see you have the options to change the theme color for the announcement bar section. You could tap on change right here. So let's say, for example, you would like to change it to dark. So you could tap on scheme 4 and you can see that the announcement bar background has changed right there. If you'd like to also display your social media icons, you can do that. So you could simply tap on show icons on desktop. Then from there, you could scroll down, select theme settings. Then you can paste in your different social media handles or links right here. So for example, you could paste in your Facebook page link and your Instagram page link, and then the icons will be displayed on your announcement bar. Another thing that you can also do, you can auto rotate your announcements. So for example, if you have more than one auto or better yet announcement message that you would like to display, you can do that by simply tapping on auto rotate. And you can edit the announcement bar message by tapping right where you see welcome to our store, which will be automatically added on your Shopify store. You can tap right there and you can edit the message by tapping here. You can add whatever message you want. Now to continue editing your home page, you can edit the header section. So we could tap on header. Then from here, you can position your logo. So you can tap on middle left, top left, or so on. You can also scroll down and you can edit the menu option. So if you would like to change the menu option, you could tap on change menu and you can do that. You can go into further details editing your menu by tapping on main menu right here. After tapping on main menu, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll be able to customize your navigation bar or your menu option. So you can decide what you would like to add or what you would like to remove. So you can see right here at the moment we have the home, catalog, and contact. If it is a case that we like to remove one of these sections from the menu option, you can simply tap on delete right there. If you would like to add a particular page or so on, you can tap on add menu item. Then from here, you could type in the page name and then you could search for the page and add it. So that is how you'll be able to edit the navigation option right there. And if you would like to also add your logo, you could tap on theme settings and from there you will be able to add a logo as you can see right here. So let's say for example I were to add one of the free images. I could simply tap on explore free images, then tap on any one of these sections. Let's say I would like to use this one as the logo. I could tap right there and you can see that a logo has now been added as you can see there. You can also edit the size of the logo by simply going right here. You can pull the slider to the right to increase the size or to the left to decrease the size as you can see right there. And you can also add a Firecon image. And the Firecon image is basically the image that will be displayed in the URL. So you can do that if you want. So let's go back. So we're going to go back into editing. So we'll tap on sections once more. After tapping on sections, it is now time to edit the image banner. So to do this, you can simply tap on image banner. Then from here, you can add your first and second image, as this is currently a slider. So you can tap right here to explore free images, or you can choose to upload an image if you want. So we'll tap on explore free images, and we're just going to be selecting a free image. Let's say, for example, this one. After doing that, you can add your second image. So I'll tap on explore free images once more, and I'm going to be adding another free image. Let's say, for example, this one, and I'll tap on add, and you can see right there. And if you would like to, for example, tap on edit right here, you can also add a focal point if you want, as you're provided with that option. You can also add an alt text if you want also. So you can see right there, that is how to set up the image banner. You can edit the size of the banner by tapping right where you see banner height. So if you like it to be medium, you can do that. If you would like it to be small, you can do that, as you can see right there. You can also set up the desktop content position, so you can select whether you like the button to be in the center, top left, or so on. You can choose that, as you can see right there. If you would like the banner to be animated, you can do that. So let's say ambient movement, you could select that, and you can see right there, it is slowly moving. If you would like a fixed background positioning or zoom in and scroll, you can also select that if you want. I'll select ambient movement, as you can see right there. After doing that, you could tap on theme settings. Then from there, you can choose whether you like to reveal sections on scrolls or not. Now let's go back to continue editing our home page. And you can see the text right here which says browse our latest products. If you would like to edit that text, you can tap on it from the left hand menu option. Then from there, you can tap on the text box, and you could type in whatever you want. If it is a case that you would like to make the text edit linkable, better yet, so when someone taps on it, they will be redirected to a next page. If you would like to make it clickable, you can simply select the text, then tap on the link icon, and you can add it to any page or so on if you want. If you would like to edit the size, you could tap on medium right here. Or if you would like to make it small, you can do that, as you can see right there. Now let's go back to heading. In the top left hand corner, we'll tap on heading. Then from here, if you would like to add another block, you could tap on add block. And for example, you can add a text block or so on if you want. And to edit the button, you could tap on buttons. Then from there, you could change the button text. You can also select the product that it would be redirected to when someone clicks on that particular button. If you would like to add a second button, you can also do that by tapping on second button label. And if it is a case that you would like to edit the featured collections, which is this section, you could simply tap on featured collections. From there, you can edit the heading size, so you can select medium or large, and you can see the size of featured products. The title right here keeps on changing, and you can change the title if you want by tapping in the text box. You can also scroll down and you can select the collection that is being displayed. So you could tap on change. Then from there, you could tap on change collection. And if you don't have more than one collection, you can create a collection. I've also done tutorials showing you how to do that. You can also decide the amount of products that you would like to be displayed. At the moment, it can display a max of 8. If you would like to display less, you can pull it to the left. So let's say you like to display only 4. If you like to display more than 8, you can pull it to the right and increase the amount that you would like to display. You can also scroll down, and from there, you can change the layout style, as you can see right here. And again, you can also change the background color if you want. So you could tap where you see scheme 1, and you could tap on change. And from there, you can change the background color. So for example, you can see right there, the background color has changed. So you can select the layout and the style that you want. You can also scroll down and you can select the product image size. So for example, if you like to be portrait, you can do that. If you like it to be square, you can do that. But I'll select adapt to image. Then you can also scroll down, and if it is a case that you like to show vendor or you would like to add enable quick add. Another standout feature that you can also add is quick add button. So you could tap right there and you can see from the featured products section, persons will now be able to simply tap on add to cart to add a particular product quite easily. So I do recommend that you add that option so you can see it right there. Now going back, you can also scroll down, and if you would like to add another section, you could tap on add section. So you can see if you would like to add a slideshow, you could add a slideshow to this particular section. You can also add image collection. You can also add another image banner if you want, or you could add a collage if you want. You can see there are numerous options that you can add. And to edit the footer section, you can simply tap on footer. At the moment, you can see the footer section right there. And again, you can change the background color and so on. And you can scroll down, and at the moment, you can see that we have the email sign up. If you would like to change the heading text, you can do that. If you would like to show your social media links, if you'd like to show your social media icons, you can do that. Or if you don't want to show them, you can toggle it off. You can also show payment icons. You can also show policy links by tapping right there if you want. And once you're finished making your changes, you'll tap on save in the top right hand corner, and that's it. After making the changes, what you can do next, you could tap on the three dots in the top left hand corner, then tap on view. So from here, you'll be able to view how your home page looks at the moment. So you can see it right there. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful and informative, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.